guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the bed liner from BedRug on the Ram 1500 Keys to Ride truck. If you're looking to add extra comfort and cushion to your truck bed, then check out this bed liner. Bed liner gives you the look and feel of carpet that can also hold up to heavy cargo, dirt, gravel, you name it. It's made of an ultra-tough 100% polypropylene, which is basically a plastic material. Bed liner is also waterproof, chemical, and stain resistant. It has an anti-skid surface that also helps to keep cargo from sliding around in your truck bed. To top it off, bed liner is also 3/4 of an inch cushion to be easier on the knees, and it helps protect your truck from impact dings and damage. BedRug has designed this bed liner to hold up to the harshest conditions. It's UV resistant, won't fade over time, and won't mold or mildew. This installation is pretty straightforward, so we rate this a 2 out of 10, and it'll take you about an hour to do it. To clean your bed liner from BedRug, just use a water hose, power washer, or vacuum. Bed liner will dry in as little as 20 minutes. The bed liner from BedRug is made in the USA and backed with a limited lifetime warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the bed liner from BedRug. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator, where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.